The United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has made an important call to the world for a new energy era. He outlined a compelling case for why a transition away from fossil fuels to renewable energy is inevitable, and the vast benefits it will bring for the people and economies. Global action is critical for Afghanistan, and the world must seize the opportunity for the energy shift called for by the Secretary General. Afghanistan's climate crisis is not a distant threat. It is happening now, impacting lives, livelihood, and the natural systems that all its people depend on. The consequences of inaction will be catastrophic, not only for Afghans, but for regional stability and the global humanitarian efforts. At the United Nations in Afghanistan, we are stepping up our efforts to assist Afghans with mitigating and adapting to the impacts of climate change. We are supporting the Afghan people in areas such as water security, smart infrastructure, the clean energy transition, land and ecosystem restoration, disaster risk reduction, and community resilience. We also welcome initiatives to enhance Afghanistan's long-term energy security and to scale up investments in renewable energy in particular. We will continue to speak for the people of Afghanistan on the global stage.